Igbo people have produced some of Nigeria's most successful sports figures. In the world's most popular sport, soccer, you have players like Kanu Nwankwo, who is one of the most decorated African footballers. And then you have players like JJ Okocha, who many know as one of the most skilled players they've ever seen. These days, you have the Ogumike sisters who play in the WNBA, you have the Acho brothers who play in the NFL, and you have several other players of Igbo descent doing their things in different sports. What I would like to see going forward is even more participation in sports. We know that sports can be a great unifier. We've seen wars stop because of sports. Players rally behind their teams. So what I would like to see is a player get to the top of their game and command a lot of respect, and then in turn do good things in their community. My name is Ije Nekwa. Let's make progress.
Sing along to whether money don't come again, bracket today, yeah, so